Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use UPBASE for publication management, your complete guide for 2025. First off, you'll need to log into your UPBASE account. This gives you access to all your publication management tools in one place. It's your command center where you'll control everything that has to do with your publication. Now that we're logged in, let's navigate to the Publication tab. Here's where you'll see all your upcoming and published articles. This tab is critical because it allows you to get an overview of all your publishing activities. Next up, you'll want to add a new article. To do this, click on the Add New button located at the top right corner of your screen. This helps us because it allows us to add new content to our publication schedule, ensuring a steady stream of fresh content for our audience. Once you've clicked Add New, you'll be prompted to enter details about your article. This includes the title, author, and publication date. The reason we do this is to keep everything organized and make sure every piece of information about the article is easily accessible. After you've entered all the necessary details, it's time to hit Save. Let me explain why this matters. By saving your work, you are ensuring that all your hard work doesn't go to waste. UPBASE will now keep track of this article, and it will pop up in your Publication tab. Now that we've done that, your article is ready for publication. It's as simple as that. Using UPBASE for publication management can streamline your workflow and make managing your content much easier. So that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, the key to mastering UPBASE is practice and exploration, so don't be afraid to play around with the platform. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.